All right, I'm going to talk to you about how to use YouTube for free affiliate traffic. This tutorial isn't going to be theory based. You're going to be learning from somebody that's got millions of views from small YouTube channels. No, you don't need hundreds of millions of views. You don't need to be the next Mr. Beast or anything like that. You can do laser targeted videos and create content on YouTube, going after laser focused keyword research, also creating unique titles. You can get hundreds of views on each video, not thousands, and you can actually make a full-time living doing this. And this is what I've been doing for the last 5 years, making over 6 figures in affiliate marketing. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. So if I go over here, this is one of my YouTube channels. We're almost closing in on 20,000 subscribers. Where are we at? I'm gonna go over here up to the stats section and go lifetime right now. And just to show you, you're going to see that we have 19,800 subscribers. So we're almost closing in. You can see that it's been steady. We're kind of on a low dip right now, several months, and a lot of YouTubers are experiencing this, but it doesn't matter because I'm still making thousands of dollars per month doing this. Now you can see that we have 2.2 million views, and that is the exact thing that I'm going over in this video, how to use YouTube for free affiliate traffic. So we want to get traffic. You need a traffic source. I choose YouTube, and that's what I teach. If you want to learn more, go here and go to my YouTube Affiliate Accelerator program right here. It's normally $97. You can get in for just $17 right now. That's not going to last very long. Until this gets to 100 members, then it closes and it's gonna be $97. So this is your chance to get in. I'd love for you to come in here. We have people in here. We have several classes right over here: launch jacking, YT affiliate blueprint, how to get started, what to post, and how to record your videos. Super simple. You don't have to get on camera or anything like that. We have 2 live calls, a Q&A call, so you actually get group coaching from me. Literally right now, you can get in for just $17. It's crazy. And I've made over $600,000 doing this. There's a community of like-minded people right here. And we have people that have been with me for 2 years since the start of this. They're in the community as well. And then finally, you're going to get some really cool stuff right over here. Really cool secret stuff, like don't do this on YouTube right here. A really cool 27-minute free video that only my members inside of here get. It really will teach you some things that people are doing wrong and that I actually go over in this video. And then we just have Gary comes right back over here and he's like, hey, while I was sleeping last night, I made another $16 in commissions. So people are actually getting results in their business inside of the community. So come be the next member of YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. Right over here, you can see that you need a traffic source to plug into. And right here, you'll be able to see that we got over 2 million views on this channel, which I created 4 years ago. It's not that many views. I could lead off by saying I've gotten millions of views on YouTube. But when you really break it down, I've never averaged more than about 30,000 views per month organically. But guess what? 30,000 views on YouTube is extremely powerful. Imagine websites get 30,000 visitors per month. I would take a YouTube channel getting 30,000 views per month over a website any day. A website, people are there, they click off, they bounce. People don't like to read. Your website looks weird, they bounce off. Videos are way more powerful. People will literally just listen to your video while they're at the gym, walking in their car, vegging out on the couch, right? And so YouTube and video content is a lot easier to consume for most people. And it's just way more powerful because they get to know you. You get to do a tutorial for them. You get to give value to them. Like I said, 30,000 views on YouTube in an educational tutorial type channel like what I teach and what I do is way more powerful than a website. You're getting these 2 million views, and no wonder why I've made $600,000 from basically 2 million views. Now go to a prank channel, go to an education channel, a celebrity gossip channel, go to any of those types of channels, and someone gets 2 million views on one video, right? That's not unheard of. They don't make $600,000 off of that 2 million views. A lot of times they only make a few $100, maybe $1,000, couple $1,000. I'm making a lot more money with the views that I get, the few views that I get, and that's what I teach you how to do. You can see the 2 million views right there. That's the traffic proof. You gotta get traffic first, and then if you have an offer, we have an affiliate link that we put in our YouTube video. People click on that and then they go and buy stuff. I'm gonna show you that as well. So there's your subscribers, there's your estimated. I mean, YouTube's paid me almost $37,000 just to create content. You can see it's evergreen. We've got people watching my content all day long. Now, what I do is if we go over to YouTube, for example, I'll just click on YouTube. I'll go to LearnWire real quick. Let's just say Gamma app. For example, Gamma app review. Maybe it's Gamma AI or Gamma app AI review, something like that. I should be showing up. So you'll see right over here, I was the first to this kind of app. It was already getting about 1 million visitors per month. And I scoped it out and I was like, oh, wow, there's no content. I went and created my video and you can see it's one of my top performing videos on my channel, almost 40,000 views a year ago. Now, I wasn't even an affiliate for the first probably almost that entire time. They didn't give me affiliate status because they have like a private back-end affiliate program. I think when I posted the video, it was just to get views on my channel. They didn't have an affiliate program at the time, but I still went out and made the content, got 40,000 views. You click on the video, it says my channel, and you can see right over here, people click on this link, my.learnwire links gamma. They click on that link and then they go over and maybe sign up for a free account and then purchase. And that actually turned into a few $1,000s. They managed theirs in Partner Stack. So that actually made me a couple $1,000 or something like that. Now, how do I get those clicks, right? So you can apply this right over here. What I do is to manage my affiliate links, and then I can track them better. I can see which products are getting the most link clicks and so forth, and I can just track and get information. I use this tool called Switchy. You can use any link shortener you want, but essentially, look, I can send up to 30,000 clicks on my account right now. And I'm on just AppSumo code 1. I'll try to leave a link below if you want to go pick this up. I probably make like $2 if you end up purchasing the software. Over the last 30 days, this is only going to measure the last 30 days. I've only got 1,166 clicks, which is really bad. Usually I get like 3,000 clicks per month. But like I said, traffic is way down. Right now I'm getting only 18,000 visitors on my main LearnWire channel where I do software reviews. I can't figure it out. So clicks are down as well. Normally I get over 3,000 real, organic, free affiliate clicks, laser targeted to my affiliate. So this is a number one tip that I can give you is to track your affiliate links. If you set it up correctly, you can go over here to links. You can see I have all kinds of YouTube channels and accounts, but we're just going to focus on LearnWire. You can see every time I put something out, like I put out a video a few days ago, my prompt optimizer, right? So we can go and click this right here and I can show you what this is. It's free. People can use it for free. It's a prompt optimizer. People can type in what they want right over here and then it will make the prompt better for ChatGPT 5, which is super cool. Now, what I did is I put that in here so that I can get all these stats about who's clicking my link. We had 51 clicks, 43 people used this link. And you can see each day it got some really good clicks because of the video that I came out with. And then you can see where people are at in the world, who's clicking on it. YouTube was the #1 traffic source, United States, Germany, Canada, Pakistan, Israel. It gives you all this information right over here and it helps who's clicking on your link. And then you can see, for example, if I want to know how many sales I'm making, this one particular is a free tool I built. But I still wanted to see how many people are actually clicking on it. And it's really cool. I can see that. When we come over here, I'm selling my own software, LTD company. We have 142 people that have actually visited this. This is an actual software that I built, and we have steady traffic going to it every single day right now because I'm putting that, I'm highlighting it, I'm showcasing my software, I'm making sales. I made a sale last night. It's a $67 product, and I'm making sales while I'm sleeping on my own software. You can see the tier 1 traffic that we're getting from YouTube as well. This just proves that you get free affiliate traffic when you start YouTube and you do it the way that I teach it. Like right over here, the Traffic Wave Generator 2.0. We've only got 103 visitors. This is a great example that I can show you how this works. So we've got 103 clicks, right? 77 users. That means that multiple people are coming back watching the content again and clicking it multiple times. You can come over here and see when the product launched back in July, right? I would have made a lot of sales back then. Then it kind of tapered off. And then here in September, we only have 8 clicks, but it's very important to see that something you did months ago still getting 8 clicks, and I haven't made any content since July. And then if I log in to my Warrior Plus account and push refresh, we can actually show you that I just made a sale yesterday. This is Traffic Wave Generator. We made $17 in commissions. Then they bought an upgrade for $17. Then they bought the design and branding pack for another $12. Then they bought the OTO 4 Amazon Associates Pro for another $17, right? So it's about 60 or 70 bucks that I made from a link that I created and did a review on way back in July. We got free traffic from it months later. And that's why there's this semi-passive aspect to YouTube and affiliate marketing where I can just sit back. And that's why I don't care about my views. I mean, I do care about them, but I'm not worried. I can't control the algorithm. I have some of my fans and subscribers of my LearnWire YouTube channel that have reached out to me and say, hey, wow, I can't believe your views are so low. Like, what's going on and stuff. We can't figure it out. They even gave me feedback. They say, your titles aren't any different. Your content's still really good. You're not doing anything different to get less views. The algorithm definitely changed. Something changed, and I'm getting way less views right now. But do I give up? Do I stop? No, I am a huge believer in continuing to be consistent, continuing to have motivation, and continuing to show up day after day. And guess what? You still get paid. Even with the low views that I'm having right now, you still make commissions. And you can come over here and just look in my Warrior Plus account. I'll go to dashboard and you can see this is going to update 13 hours ago. But look, this will update right now. I think it's like $5,000 or $6,000. Okay, so we have $5,000 for almost $1,500 in the last 7 days, $145 yesterday. And you can see, look, $100 there, $137 there, $454, $621 there, $145 yesterday, no sales today. It's been a while since I haven't had any sales. And this is just Warrior Plus, okay? So that's how I manage my affiliate links. One other thing that I wanted to show you was the value of the amount of clicks that we're getting. If I come back over here to my account, and I come back over to billing, that's where they actually show you where your clicks are. So 1,167 free, and this isn't all the link clicks that I'm getting, but it's probably the majority of them. That's not a lot of clicks, but I want to show you how powerful even 1,100 real targeted clicks are. So I'm still making $10,000, $15,000 a month with just that much traffic. I tried to go and get what's the average cost to get on an affiliate click on Google and Facebook. It tried to throw out some estimates right over here, but I remembered I already did some Facebook campaigns recently this year. So it just didn't sound right. It's not 30 cents to click on a link. I logged into my Meta account right over here and you can see that I have this March of 2025 to September of 2025, right? So about the last 6 months of 2025, I ran a campaign. I put 3 images out there, different text. I ran a real campaign and did $40 a day on each of these. And we had 84 right there. So that we did have a winning kind of ad that got the most traffic and wins for us. It did end up getting a cost per result. So in order to get a lead on my list that's free, that didn't buy anything, it cost almost $4 on the best performing ad that I created. I did run this for like a week or 2 weeks. Now, $320 on that one, 50-50. And then what I want to do is keep scrolling over here and show you that the cost per click is right here. So we have the cost per result to get a lead, so almost $4, $3.80. But the cost per link click is $1.17, $1.92, and $1.53, right? So what we do is we download that and then get the average of this. We have all this data, but we can go to the cost per click and say what the average is, $1.54, right? So we can say $1.54 times 1167, and it's going to do the math for me real quick. And you're going to see that this, okay, so I think it got confused or I typed something in wrong, but here we go. So $1,700. This is what I wanted to prove to you. This is $1,700 worth of free traffic. I showed you how much it would actually cost to get that traffic on Meta, on Facebook. You might be able to get lower clicks on Google, but this shows that this would have costed me, this traffic right here would have costed me a $1,797. So almost $2,000 worth of free traffic. I'm at my all-time low on like views on my LearnWire channel, still making thousands of dollars, proving it to you right over here as well. So you don't need a lot of traffic. You just need a system that works, that teaches you exactly what to do. And a lot of this money doesn't come from my LearnWire channel, right? That's just my software review channel. This right here comes from, I'm making this money right here from my email list, a small email list I might add, and a YouTube channel that just barely crossed 700 subscribers. And I can get like 1, maybe 200 views max on a video and make thousands of dollars. I show you all that, prove all that to you inside of the YouTube Affiliate Accelerator. So come join us, be our next member. $97 a month is our normal price right now. It's just unlocked for a short amount of time for $17. Be our next member. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.